Hi, it's Nadene Anderson from First Impressions Property Consulting, welcoming you back to Jersey Road Unlocked. It's been 5 weeks since we came to you last, and there's been lots and lots of progress to show you. First of all, the outside of the property, we have built a very large extension to the to create a garage. This area used to be a small bedroom in the original house. We've now got a 6.5 metre long garage with a new roof, new ceiling, and it's been very handy because we've had a lot of rain over the last month. We've been able to store a lot of materials in here. The other thing that you will see is that the house has been rendered. So no longer is it a small brick cottage, but it's been transformed into the contemporary home that my clients want. We've also put some timber trims around the original concrete awning above the front door, which again is adding to the really contemporary feel for this property. So now we've come around the side of the house, and I'm standing in the outside of the pass-through, or the atrium area, which is the joining feature between the original house and the new part of the extension. So here you can see this is the area where my client's going to landscape it with some beautiful Victorian ash trees and some lovely grasses, and the windows from the main bathroom, the walk-in robe and the ensuite will all look out onto this beautiful area. We've also got the main big window here that is in the hallway in the house. So I also just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the material that we've used for the outside of the extension section. My clients decided to go with a lightweight structure rather than going with brick and render because that is quite costly. We were originally going to go with a blue board and then render it to match the existing house, but there are some challenges with blue board. Sometimes it can crack down the track. We really didn't want to have that problem. So my builder had suggested this cladding, which is from James Hardie. It's called a Stria cladding, and it's great in terms of its insulation, it's fireproof, and it gives a really great modern look. So there's a little bit of variation between the existing house and the extension, but once it's all painted the same colour, it's all going to look fantastic, and my clients are very, very happy with it. A really good solution. And now we're in the back of the property, and you can really see the entertaining area taking shape. When we were designing this property, my clients had three really important areas for this brief. One was to make the entertaining area weatherproof so they could use it all year round. Secondly, they didn't want any vertical posts to support any awnings. They wanted an uninterrupted view out to their backyard. And the third was that they wanted to maximise the light that came through into this deck area. This is actually a south-facing garden, so we needed to try to maximise the light into this area so that it didn't feel sort of enclosed and dark. So when we were briefing the architect and the engineer, we had to keep all of those three things in mind. The first thing we've done is created an awning that extends the whole depth of the deck, so it's 3 metres out. Secondly, it is supported by cantilevering it off the existing building with these steel rods that the engineer has designed. So we've got 4 steel rods along the length of the awning which support it. It actually gives a really cool industrial look, which my clients really like. And thirdly, we have used a clear polycarbonate material for most of the awning, which is just separated by a couple of solid sections so that we can put in some lighting and some speakers for the audio system. So we've managed to create a weatherproof area that still gets light, and there's no vertical post to support the awning. And here you can see the deck is really coming together. It's almost completed. We've used an Australian hardwood spotted gum, and you can see at the end there we've constructed a brick barbecue area which will have a beautiful grey-black granite bench top. So this is the entertaining area, and then we walk straight through these great big open glass doors into the extension. And here you can see a lot of progress has taken place since we were here last. We've had the gyprockers in. All the walls and ceilings internally have been done. The electrician has been here and has cut through all the holes for the downlights, and the air conditioning vents have also been cut out. The other very exciting thing is that the timber floor has started to be laid. So we've used an Australian hardwood called Mesmate, which is actually a really nice blonde timber. We wanted to use a light timber because that would bounce the light off in this area. So again, this is a south-facing room, so we didn't want to use dark colours that would absorb the light. So this timber will really help to bounce the light off And once the white high gloss polyurethane kitchen and the white bench tops are installed, that will help with that as well. The flooring in this area runs seamlessly through into the scullery, the pantry and laundry area, which has also been tiled. Okay, so now let's take a walk back through into the original part of the house, through the pass-through, lots of lovely light coming in here. Here we're going to have a really big linen cupboard. This is being installed this week, so lots of storage here. And then we come through into the main hallway where we've got the bedroom, garage through here, another bedroom, and then down this hallway we have the main bathroom and then the master suite. Here we are in the main bathroom, and what a difference some tiles make. We've used the marble Pietra grey tiles on this feature wall here, where this beautiful big window is as well, and also on the floors. So this is looking absolutely gorgeous. Where I'm standing right here is going to be the toilet, and then underneath the window will be the freestanding bath. Around here we've got the shower with a great big frameless shower screen here. You can see we've got a little cubby hole here for shampoo and soap and what have you. And then on this wall over here will be a freestanding vanity and a really big, lovely mirror as well. So this is the the main bathroom. It's going to look beautiful. And if we just walk down here through to the master suite, the other thing I wanted to point out is that quite a lot of patching had to be done internally with render to seal around the brickwork around the windows and where the old windows were, and that has now all been top coated. Just needs to be sanded back now, and the painters can come in and work their finishing magic next week. Finally, we walk through here, through the walk-in robe. This is going to be an air conditioning vent here, and into the ensuite, where again we've got the beautiful Pietra grey marble tiles used on this feature wall. With the window here is going to be louvered, and then we've got it on the floors as well, and then the white tiles on the walls. So that's it for Jersey Road Unlocked for this week. I hope you've enjoyed seeing all the progress, the rendering, the outside area, the timber floor, the tiling, and all the gyprocking and rendering inside as well. So we've got a lot of progress to go over the next 4 weeks, just 4 weeks until completion, and I'll be back in the next week or two with another progress video for you. Until then, see you later.